This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2011 Mazda BT-50 single cab. This shape ran from the 11th month 2006 to the 9th month 2011. This vehicle sustained damage to the left-hand front. This vehicle is fitted with a WLAT 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by a rear-wheel drive manual transmission. We have the right-hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with factory 15-inch alloy mag wheels. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left-hand power door mirror. Factory 15-inch alloy mag wheel. Left rear has a good tyre. We have that alloy tray, tow bar, factory 15-inch alloy mag wheel. Right rear has a good tyre. We have the right-hand front door, right-hand power door mirror, factory 15-inch alloy mag wheel. Right front has a good tyre. We have the driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with a factory grey cloth interior. Has a tidy center console, tidy handbrake lever, tidy gear stick, manual transmission type, factory standard AC controls, 6-stack CD player, factory, interior mirror, has a tidy left-hand sun visor, a tidy right-hand sun visor, manual transmission instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.